Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another wear test. Yeah, I don't know. Today's gonna be a hectic, busy mess of a day. I'm not excited. We're clocking it. It's almost 11, which means your girl's gonna have to stay up late again to finish this test out. But I thought I had already tested this, and then someone asked me about it, and I realized that I never did it. So before we keep rambling like we're crazy, we're gonna play our intro. Okay, so today I want to test out the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. I have actually never tried this brand, not even a lighter color. You slide it out. I have the color Famous. Looks super pretty. It's not gonna match my eyes. We're just gonna deal with it because today I did my Snow White tutorial. It's trash, but I did it. That's what counts. I'm gonna look a little bit rough today because nothing's really gonna be cohesive, but we are gonna test this lipstick. We are going to Mom's again, which means good food, some stuff to do, and hopefully it'll be a little easier to stay up until like 11 because Mom likes to stay out sometimes. So we're gonna hope, but today we've got a big agenda. So big. We're gonna edit videos, we're gonna clean my car, we're gonna pack, we're gonna drive, we're gonna eat, we're gonna play Pokemon. I'm sure we do that every time. So yeah, this should be a fun day. I will be in Texarkana again. I'm gonna try to film you a couple more wear tests during the holidays since I will be traveling a little bit. Not a lot though. But this is the first one. Your girl is on vacation. And my first day on vacation, I work. So we're gonna go ahead and zoom in. I suck at this, don't judge me guys. This does not come with a lip liner, so my lips are gonna be crooked, let's be honest. We already know this. It's just a thing at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of the package. Let's see, we got a pretty standard doe foot. Nothing too crazy. We got a dirty mirror. But we're gonna go ahead and apply this to the lips. Okay, it's on. I don't know how I feel. It's almost like it's not all the same color. I may put a second layer because like through here is like way lighter. I'm not getting that pigment I want. But it should be easier to put a second layer than it was to put the first. My top lips are definitely crooked. It's a struggle, guys. And if you can't hear, my guard dog thinks he's rescuing me from the mailman right now. So we're just gonna ignore him. But this should be pretty close to dry, so I'm just gonna toss a light second coat on here. Hopefully it'll even out. Okay, so that worked a little bit better. Pigment's definitely more solid now. Made a couple of little oopsies around the edges. Because of course I did. Why wouldn't I? Let's see if I can touch those. Up. Ah. Okay, yeah, no, that's making it worse. So we're not going to do that. Our lips are just going to be a little bit uneven today, and it's just like every other day, so what's the real difference? But okay, so far, this feels okay. It hasn't dried down all the way. I don't know, let's zoom out, because I don't like being this close. Okay, so this feels fine as of now. It doesn't feel too sticky except on the corners, which is pretty normal. It's standard whenever I wear a lippy. The color's really nice. The pigment's pretty good. I did need 2 layers. Ups and downs, you know. I mean, 2 layers isn't like a big deal, but it was not fully like evened out. It was opaque, but it wasn't evened out on 1 layer. So I did have to go in for a second one, but that's fine. I'm not mad about that. But yeah, so that is what we've got so far. It is 10:58. We're gonna wear this until 11 o'clock tonight and see what happens, unless I have like a horrible disaster, because I think I'm gonna ask my mommy for Olive Garden today because I could really use some pasta, and I'm gonna try to be careful with it, but I do want to give a good test. However, I'm not gonna test this week with tacos or anything, because I don't think it can hold up to that. But I'm gonna test it with like pasta or something. But yeah, so the next thing you'll see, I don't know, you should see some yummy food soon. I'll check in around 1-ish. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so it is 1:30. That means we are 2.5 hours in. Yeah. So right now, ignore my messy room. We're editing our video that you'll actually see before this one. I'm trying to edit before I leave for my mom's. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm hitting upload, getting in the car, going to Texarkana. So your next check-in will be once I get there, hopefully around 3 or 3:30, but it's 1:30 now, so maybe like 4. But so far, this looks pretty good. The edges are a little rough, but it hasn't faded at all. Yeah, still pretty good, but I also haven't eaten anything yet. I'm starving. So we're gonna see after we finally get some food how this looks. Hopefully good. But yeah, that is it for this first check-in. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, so we're finally at mom's house. Check-in number 2. It is 4 o'clock. It took me a little longer to get here than I wanted, but we are at 5 hours. The color's not bad, but these edges, they're bleeding so bad. And I think like right here, that could really be fixed with a lip liner, but you know, when I do the wear test, unless it comes with a liner, it don't get any liner. But it hasn't faded yet. I had a bag of chips and a drink. Still looks pretty good. We're about to go get some actual real food, and we will see how it's looking. I'll be back around 7 or 8. See y'all in a minute. Okay, you guys, so another check-in. I know you can hear cars in the back. Sorry. Looks okay. I had Popeye, so it's kind of greasy. I didn't get you a video of the food because I ate the food too fast. But it's kind of starting to fade a little, especially around the corners. Smudging. It's not looking wonderful, but it's not looking tragic either yet. So I'm still kind of at a middle ground, so I don't know how I feel. But it's 6 o'clock. I will see you again around 8 or 9. Okay, guys. Another check-in shortly after 9 o'clock. Puts us at 10 hours-ish. It still looks about the same. I haven't really had anything else. Yeah, it's been a pretty slow day. Still looks decent. It's just these edges are like, they're bleeding so bad. I mean, like I said earlier, that'll probably be fixed with like a quick lip liner. No big deal. But if you don't have a lip liner, this looks really bad. But other than that, the color is still pretty good. I mean, it's not terrible. My lips are a little dried out, but it is a matte lip. You know, that's a risk. Kind of right here. It's fading a little farther out, but not a big deal. So that's it for this check-in. I will see you at 11 for our final verdict. Okay guys, final check-in. It's finally 11. It's 12 hours. So my only major complaints is like here it faded a lot and the edges just look bad, like in the corners. Not the worst I've tried, not the best I've tried either. I think if this were more of a nude color, it wouldn't look so bad once it faded off. Maybe that's me, I could be wrong. But the formula is not too terrible. Dried my lips out a little bit, but not like real bad for a matte lipstick. And I mean, it's alright, and it's been 12 hours, so I mean, you know. Personally, I'm probably not going to buy any more of these because I found so many brands that, you know, for me work better. But it's not horrible. I'm not going to knock it. But if it were me, yeah, I would just spring for a different, you know, lower end brand, maybe like the Maybelline Superstay or something like that. But you didn't hear it from me. But yeah, so that's it for today's wear test. This was gonna be basically a no-go for me. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I look rough as all get out. This makeup is gone. But yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.